I'm Alex. I'm the executive chef of Alex Dilling at Café Royal. The dish I'm going to cook for you is Limousin veal sweetbread. It's going to be served with celeriac, black truffle, and fresh green peppercorn. So for the mise en place of this dish, to start we have the sweetbreads. We get beautiful Limousin veal sweetbreads. We're going to rinse those. We rinse them in ice water, soak them. Then we're going to poach them in a court bouillon. We want to do this just so they're about medium rare. After that, we're going to chill the sweetbreads down and we're going to peel them. We roast the sweetbreads very slowly on one side. We want to really create this crispy texture on one side of the sweetbreads. Once we've achieved this, we're going to finish them in a bit of foaming butter with some garlic and thyme. And then we season the sweetbreads by brushing them with a reduced veal jus, seasoning them with caramelized lemon. Once the sweetbread's been seasoned and glazed, we're going to put this in a cookout with lots of herbs, hard herbs like bay leaf, rosemary, lemon, thyme. We're going to light that just to get some smoke happening around the sweetbread, and we bring that to the table to present to the guest. And also this smell of all these toasted herbs is just really beautiful when it comes on the table. We bring that back to the kitchen after and we carve a piece of the sweetbread for the plate. So to plate our sweetbread dish, the first thing we do is put some of the celeriac and truffle puree on the plate. Following that, we put the julienne of raw celeriac, followed by the julienne of black truffle. We're going to drape on top of that the truffle jelly. Next to that, we'll put a piece of the glazed sweetbread with some shaved black truffle on top. We're going to bring this dish to the table, and in front of the guests, we're going to pour over the veal jus that's been seasoned with the pickled green peppercorn and black truffle. So the finished dish we have here is Limousin veal sweetbread with celeriac, black truffle, and fresh green peppercorn.